Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, today I wanted to see if we could fire roll some charred punk wood. This is very different from the char that you would take out of a fire, the charcoal left over from burning hard wood. That won't even catch a spark. But I have proven that that will fire roll, and I'll leave the link to that video in the description. But what I have not proven is whether charred punk wood would fire roll. Let's settle that right now. We'll use a half of a cotton ball. And we'll try it twice. I've got loblolly pine needles here. I got about a 10-mile-an-hour wind blowing, so it's going to be interesting to try to get that powderized char material into this cotton and rolled up before it blows away. Let's give it a try. Hanging up on this rough board here. Wow, that worked pretty easily, didn't it? Let's try that again. You just do the best you can do in wind like this. All right, I'm gonna give it 10 preheats, then 10 rolls in one direction. And then I'm gonna pick it up and turn it 180 degrees and give it 10 more rolls. These are the preheats. All right, now let me give it 10 rolls. Turn it 180 degrees and give it 10 more, which it looks like it's already ignited. So charred punkwood is a great filler for the fire roll. We're good. Do me a favor now, before you leave the channel, please subscribe. Hit the notifications bell, and in that drop-down list, you'll see where you can select all. And give the video a like too, please. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.